So I'm at the ICC and it's actually really busy and I haven't had time to film a video before now. But I'm doing a quick video to show you the stall. So here's the book. It looks really pretty. And here are crack your own geodes. Personally, I absolutely love these. So you literally just crack them open with like a chisel or a hammer. And then you have two really cute geodes. So I love them. My kids love them. We crack so many of those in my house. So much of this stuff isn't actually on my website yet. It will be soon, but there wasn't much point putting it on before today. So we have a selection of tumbles and chakra sets, palm stones, and this spins. How cool is this? This was from B&M's. Absolutely love that. Have mystery bags. They've done really well today. £5 a bag worth 10. Got some stickers and stuff for the kids, because the kids are gone crazy for the mystery bags as well. We've done loads and loads and loads of these tarot key rings today. Honestly, they are kind of cute though. I'm going to keep in some for myself. Here's another little spinny, and use the bags for like the pick and mix tumble stones. Then we've got palm stones, some little clusters, malachite. Ooh, really cute. And then the spell oils. They look really nice on display, the oils in the bottles. Fair play, really happy with those. Done a few spell oils today. There's the spell kits. I don't think I've ever actually shown those in a video, but they're like DIY spell kits. And here's all the jewellery hanging up. My order didn't actually arrive in time, so I'm a little low on jewellery, and the jewellery's done quite well today. So yeah, I need to restock big time. Luckily I've got loads coming tomorrow, or unluckily, because realistically it should have been here for today. So at the top, I'll have to, there we go, behind the necklaces, I have a gorgeous selection of different coloured amethysts. The best labradorite ever. And then we have a lovely little pink section over here. This carnelian flower agate is outstanding. My favourite tower. Can't beat this little amethyst shelf. Honestly, a couple of these I'm thinking of keeping for myself because they're so cute. Oh, hi Nate! He's my helper for the day. And some lovely blue towers. Got some cool spheres around here. This moon. And that's the stall. I really think the book looks cute there. That's awesome. So many people keep picking it up, and I'm just too embarrassed to tell them that it's mine and I wrote it, so I say nothing because I'm socially awkward. But yeah, that's the stall. It looks really cute. That over there is Lucy Lipsy. You may know her. She's on TikTok. She's a really good medium if anyone ever wants a reading. But yeah, this is the stall. Oh, and my new custom table cover. So yeah, that's me.